Okay, ladies, thank you so much for coming tonight. I want to tell you about your opportunities as we finish our spa tonight. And there's really three different opportunities. If you'd like to take home products, I'll let you do that. If you'd like to schedule a spa, you can certainly do that, and that's going to help out your hostess. And then I want to tell you about a really great opportunity that you have to join my team if you're looking for some extra income. So the first thing I want to tell you about is our spa sets. And the first set that we have is our skincare set. And this is the set that we use tonight. It's got everything in it that you need to have healthy skin for life. It's got your cleanser, your exfoliating polish, it's going to have your moisturizing lotion or cream, and it's going to have your regenerating tonic. And remember, those products are going to turn over your skin. They're going to keep your skin looking great, and they're going to give you sun protection. And then if you'd like to, you can add the eye cream for those fine lines and wrinkles around your eyes, and then you can add a night cream as well. Here's the awesome thing about this package. When you purchase steps 1 through 4, cleanser, tonic, exfoliating polish, and moisturizer, you can take those home tonight for 40% off when you schedule a spa. And when you schedule a spa, that's going to help Susie get her free products. She's looking for at least 2 people tonight to have a spa in the next 2 months. All right. If you're not interested in that, you can certainly buy the whole set at retail value. That's going to be $173. But when you schedule a spa, you'll get steps 1 through 4. Normally that would be $100, and you're going to get that for $60. That's a great set. The second set I want to tell you about is our instant facelift set. And if you're interested in having skin that looks like this just instantly, then consider this set. It's got the peel and the microdermabrasion, and then it's got the instant facelift products for the eye and the face. And this is what's going to give you instant results. It's like getting Botox. Remember how I told you about that? All right. And then a special that I offer, not everyone offers this, but I offer this, is when you keep your spa on its originally scheduled date, you can pick one of these products at 40% off. Okay? That's a nice offer for you. And then the next set that I have that we use tonight is your spa products. And these are all the spa products that we used. And it's got your hand scrub, it's got your extreme repair, the lip peel, the eye pads, which are a must at allergy season, your extreme repair hand therapy, your foot cream. And when you purchase this set, I give you a cuticle oil pen for free. Now you can certainly purchase the products individually, but if you want results, sets are your way to go. I don't break up my basic skincare set. If you're using a little hodgepodge of this and that, and you use our moisturizer, and Mary Kay cleanser, and an Almay scrub, it's kind of like botanical warfare. So it's best if you use a complete system. Okay? So think about what set that you want to take home with you tonight. And I do carry inventory, so you can take it home with you immediately. The second thing that you can do is schedule a spa. And I've got my calendar here. I'm going to pass that around. You can pick what date that's going to work for you, and then I'll help you pick out a theme. I have an instant facelift spa. I have a basic facial spa. I have a glamour spa. I even have a margarita spa for the summer. So I'll pass this around. And ladies, I've got a couple of hot dates on here. When you pick a hot date, you get an extra free gift. And who doesn't like free, right? Okay. All right, the third thing that I want to tell you about, ladies, is the opportunity to be a part of my team. And this is such a wonderful opportunity. This picture shows you everything that you get when you join my team. And I have two types of girls. I have some girls who really need extra money, or maybe they want to get out of the house, or maybe they just want to have girlfriend time. Maybe they'd like to make a car payment. For $125, you can get a basic Spa Now set, where you can, as soon as you get it, you can start spawing girls and start making income. And then in the future, what you do is you shadow me. I'll train you. We have a training that's free. And the cool thing about it is if you go to the training class, we're going to give you the instant facelift, 2 of the instant facelift products for free, the peel and the microdermabrasion. Now, maybe that's not your cup of tea, but maybe you love the products, and maybe you could use just a little extra income, or maybe you'd like to not pay full retail value. You can be what we call a friends and family consultant, and that's somebody who purchases every couple of months, and then they just send an email or a text or a phone call to their friends and family and say, hey guys, I'm placing a beauty control order. What do you need? And so that's a really great option too. And for $125, ladies, you're going to get all of these products. And then you just need to place an order every few months or so. There's no monthly minimums. So if you're interested in being a member or being a consultant with Beauty Control, will you please talk to me, or we can get together over coffee or lunch and I can tell you more. I'll help you. I'm going to pick up my stuff, and then I can help you with what you want to get, and then also help you pick out a date for your spa so that you can help your hostess tonight. Okay? Great. Thanks so much.